Hi, I'm Phil McCaffrey, and this is a lesson on SAT tricks about slope of a line, and it's a question that I've uncovered on about 5 or 6 SAT exams, and I want to show you a super fast shortcut. But before I do that, I want to teach you how they ask the question, and we can see what people do wrong. So the first thing is, let's take a look at this question. In the xy plane, a line contains the points negative 4, 6, negative 1, 1, and 2, comma, t. What is the value of t? Well, when we're doing a problem like this, one of the key things is to identify the question. The question says, what's a line? So a line, as you know, is just connection of points. So all of these points are on the line. And you all took Algebra 1, and you all want to get into a great college. And so you come over here, you write in the xy plane, and let's draw the line. Come over, there's negative 4 and positive 6. How about negative 1 and positive 1? You see those 2 points are on the line. Then you come over here and you say 2, where is t? Well, if we connect the line, and you get to use a number 2 pencil, but I get to use my smartboard. I'm going to come down here, and t is going to be down somewhere around here. Well, this is a gridding question. It's not multiple choice, and if it was multiple choice, I could probably guess. So what's the math teacher way of solving this problem? Well, the first thing you do is, 1, find slope. And the slope we know. You write it down, and that's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Sorry for the sloppy handwriting. And we're going to fill that in, and we're going to say 6. Ooh, that's really ugly. 6 minus 1 over minus 4 minus negative 1. Don't forget your parentheses around negative values. And then the second thing after you find this slope is going to be to plug in the values from one of the equations, and we're going to say 1 is equal to the slope times the x value, negative 1, and then we're going to solve for b. Once we get that, we're going to have the equation, and we're going to plug in the points. We'll have b, we'll have y. We won't know what this t value is, so we're going to say t is equal to my slope times 2 plus b. Blah, 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 blah. Now, that just took about 3.5 minutes to even say, and let alone do. And that's the right way. That's the math teacher way. But the SAT is a timed test, and you want to get into a big school, let's do it a faster way. The SAT loves this problem, and I'm so thrilled that when I started playing around with it, I saw a pattern. And the pattern is this. Let's go from negative 4, 6 to negative 1, 1. What's our rise? Well, in this case, it's negative. I'm going to go from 6 to 1. I'm falling 5. Well, I know that. That's what I did over here in slope. And negative 4 to negative 1 is run, 3. In algebra, run is always positive. It's your rise that's positive or negative. Now, here's the really cool thing. What's the value of the next point? They do the exact same rise over run. From negative 1 to 2, it's 3. Therefore, my point has to fall down negative 5. So if I start at 1, I subtract 5. T is equal to 4. That's a pretty quick problem. Let me show you how fast I can do this problem. I go 4, negative 6 down to 1. That's minus 5 over 3. I go from 1 to negative 2. That's 3 down 5. 1 minus 5 equals negative 4. T is negative 4. Now, that wouldn't be a grid-in, would it? It'd have to be a positive number. Shows you what I know. I'll have to change this problem around. I'm Phil McCaffrey. Happy learning.